Hello from the United States. So this is going to be a short video showing you how you can get more business organically with your website by following the rules that Google has set. So the first thing to look at is your website. You can see that's more like a landing page for you. There's not a whole lot going on with it. I would like to see more pictures. I'd also like to see your individual services listed out under your menu. The next thing we're going to look at is content. So to Google, content is king. You only have 197 words of content on your home page. You want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000. And this is especially true in this instance. I'm going to show you why here in just one moment. So we're going to look at one of your top competitors. This is Index Emirates. I hope I am pronouncing that correctly. As you can see, they have a rather large website. It's very responsive. I'd actually almost say it's a little too responsive, honestly. You can see how they have their services listed out. I'm sure they also have multiple ways to get to their services page and all the other pages. Google really likes to have multiple ways to navigate your site. Now we're going to look at the content that they have. And as you can see, they actually have 1,504 words of content on their home page. So someone's definitely told them about that, and they are utilizing it. So you would want to have more content than they have in order to beat them. The next thing we're going to go look at is Ahrefs. This is your website in Ahrefs, and I'm actually kind of surprised that these numbers are so high because this is the trust with Google. And I think you're getting that from wherever you built your website from. But these numbers are not actually correct for yours. It's actually going to be much, much lower because you have no backlinks, you have no referring domains, and you're not being found for any keywords. Now let's go ahead and go look at your top competitor's website. Now there are one or two on Google for waterproofing in Dubai. And they don't actually have a whole lot going on here, so they would be relatively easy to beat, actually. They do have 25 referring domains, which is just other websites that are pointing back to theirs with backlinks. So they just go on to other people's websites that have power, and then they put a link to their website there. That way it's pulling some of the power from that website over to their website. The more power that you have, Google feels like you're more trusted. So in the content that we were just talking about, we have keywords. These are the actual search terms that people put in that get you found on Google. So the higher your ranking is for keywords, the more times you're going to get found on Google organically. Hold on just one second while Ahrefs pulls this up so you can see what I'm talking about. The more keywords you have on your page, the better it is. You want to have about one keyword for every 150 to 200 words of content you have, because you don't want to have too many keywords, because then Google looks at it like it's keyword stuffing. Come on. So here are the keywords that he's being found for. One of the top ones is waterproofing company in the UAE. And right now he's 6th for that. But if you took that one, then that would get you a lot of traffic. So the last thing we're going to talk about is citations, and you just want to go have your name, address, and phone number. That's the citation at different places on the internet. You want to try and do things like the Super Yellow pages, construction company directories, anything like that. The more places that you have your name, address, and phone number, it feels like to Google, the more power that you have. So here today we talked about content, keywords, backlinks, and citations. If you do these to your website over the next few months, then you're going to see a lot of increased traffic to your business. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day and take care. Thank you so much.